Oh man, I've been waiting all week for this. You excited, Broly? I'm fucking excited.
What these things are.
Woo! I don't miss this. How y'all doing today? Hey, 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 hey. God damn, you ugly. Hey. Woo! Why your mouth covered? Never mind. Oh, my back. Oh, Lord. Y'all ugly asses, welcome back to another game of Family Feud. Give me some nut soup. Give me Denji. Baby.
Denji.
I'm gonna beat Power Score, I just know it. Go home.
Okay. I'm gonna give y'all a couple of questions. Name something a team wouldn't be able to go without for a day.
Instagram.
I heard Instagram. Bobby!
Power. What's the answer?
But turn your
Do that.
hands around.
What?
Can't do that.
Twitter.
Twitter. Oh Lord.
You're fucking idiot.
You can't help me, damn it!
Okay, Mrs. Anetsu. Name some team wouldn't be able to go without for a day.
Their phone?
Sell your device. Woo! Look at that.
Okay, good stuff.
Mr. Going back on over there. Mrs. Nelson will come on in here with you. Let's go. Bobby! My back too damn.
I think he's too old to be dancing like that.
Yeah.
Oh.
So sorry, Mr.
I'm
Harvey.
gonna do what your way later.
I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
You can hear what he said.
You might be the one getting old. How long is this going though?
Okay. Nice meet you.
Uh-huh.
Name something a team wouldn't be able to go without for a day.
Probably posting on Snapchat.
Posting?
Dang it.
What
Got
the?
2 more chances. Then Denji and them can take it away. I forgot your goddamn name. Serpent Man. Name something a team wouldn't be able to go without for a day.
Sex.
Yeah.
Hi.
Sex. Lord.
Oh my God! Come on!
Even I thought I was gonna be white. I didn't
You
know.
know, don't fail us now.
No, he's going to.
Pork belly. Name something a team wouldn't be able to go without for a day.
A woman.
Oh.
A
He
woman?
got a fat point though.
Knock. Damn. Sorry, peoples. Look here and chainsaw peoples. Bobby, wait a minute. Bobby, do me a favor. Bobby.
Music goes as long as One Piece. I swear.
Yeah, now you feeling it. Look at that.
This means kind of far, not gonna.
I'm surrounded by it.
Get it.
Okay. Mr. Danger.
Why is there a hole in his pants?
What the hell, anyway? Exactly. Mr. Danger, name something. A teen wouldn't be able to go without for a day. Damn.
Oh, I think I know. Condoms.
Kind of.
We're. I.
Fucking idiot.
Lord.
I'll just see you try.
Miss Power, Miss Power, Miss Power.
Yeah, don't wait.
That's the end.
Oh, yeah, forget about that. You dumb as hell.
Yeah, we get the point.
How the
Bobby,
fuck are you guys so
show me.
stupid?
I was gonna
Hey,
say
wait.
it.
I'll put the buttons on
TV. Dang it.
See how
TV. Snap food.
food.
Video
Video
games. Computer.
Okay, yeah.
Listen to music. That high.
Video games
That's
be
high.
linked in one.
Alone. Bitch, ain't somebody going to college.
Yeah.
Well,
What is that?
shut the hell up.
How's
Demon Slayer when they around. Bobby, do me a favor. Play my theme music.
I call this rigged.
Yeah.
Rigged.
Yo, daddy.
I told you.
Bobby.
Dumbass.
Alright. Let's do another face off.
This time one for
Give me
Miss
Miss
Makima.
Makima.
Watch it, watch.
Give me Serpent.
Open eye. That's you.
Magna. She was
Don't
not
let
nice.
us know. Come on, Makima, I'm cheering you, Miss Makima. Go.
Open eye. Open eye.
Do I have to go
Oh,
against
nice.
that
Oh,
BDSM
nice.
bitch?
I'll kill you.
Yes, you gotta go against the bitch that do ropes and chains.
Got a problem. You're gonna lose.
I just don't like people.
Emo.
Your problem.
I'm going for the
Okay.
pink-haired one.
Alright. Name a Christmas show or movie that is on TV every year.
You said a Christmas movie, right?
Show or movie?
Show or movie? Big Bang Theory.
Big Bang Theory. What the hell?
The board
Bobby.
isn't even out.
The board, Bobby.
We can't see the board.
Damn.
It's a question.
Now I gotta redo it. Cut that shit. Get that shit. Excuse me. Anyway, name a fruit that you can buy dried.
Berries.
Berries.
It's the cranberries.
Cranberry. Oh. What? We wrong anyway. Anyway. Name a fruit that you can buy dried.
Apples.
Apples. Low hammers.
What? Sleep it. What?
See, I know you got it, Miss
Get
Makima.
your slithery ass back over there. Come on.
Wait,
Bobby, play my music.
I'm so confused.
Makima.
This is sleeping.
I told you got it, Miss Makima.
Oh.
That's his apple.
We might need a cut again.
Out to the apple.
What's going on up here?
It's hair, something you wouldn't be familiar with.
And didn't I tell you about
Oh!
my goddamn show, bitch? Take the gentleman.
Ask me the question.
Mr. Badman, name a fruit that you can buy dry.
Raisins.
Raisins. You gotta get 2 more chances. Demon Slayer's over there. Take it.
What a dumbass.
Miss Makima, name a fruit that you can buy dry.
Isn't he supposed to go to... I believe in you, Miss Makima.
You go to the next
Shut
one
the
after them, and then you.
Anyways, I think prunes.
Bros,
Feel like Feud go.
I'll be down. What's on down here?
When you're at the end, you're out of the verse and then down the line.
Big power.
Yeah, but
Yes.
Name a fruit that you can buy direct.
then you that way.
Dates.
30
It's up there, Steve.
then
Dates.
Yeah, I don't know. He's just doing it.
You heard the lady.
You gotta call it out, my friend.
Bobby!
Dates.
Bobby! Okay.
Gonna
Man.
fucking lose at this point.
You ain't got one more. Then them know where they can take it. You think you get it?
You better not fuck this up, Denji.
Name a fruit that you can buy dry.
Banana.
Banana.
Let's go.
I was gonna say
Oh
that.
Lord.
In your face, dumbass.
Oh Lord. By hot heat.
Mine was actually very long.
By hot heat. All right. Miss Monkey. What? Not no damn. That's not your damn
That's
name, Miss
Monkey Mom.
Power. I'm so sorry. Y'all kind of look the same. I'm sorry. Anywho, name a fruit. That I have a controller that you can buy. Dry. Damn roller it. Bitch, come here.
Okay. I don't know many fruit, but peaches.
Bitches. That mean click the button. I'll be down. That's 3 strikes.
That's the only fruit I know. I'm so sorry.
Stupid worse. Peaches? Are you kidding me?
I don't know. I was gonna say kiwi.
Wait, wasn't I technically skipped?
Kiwi? Oh, that's also. Oh my God, Power! Why?
He went down the line and then he just going back that way. Unless there's something wrong for Power.
One more smack from me, I swear to God.
No clue.
Yeah, wait.
No.
You're
Stop.
not able to have cats here.
Cigarette.
Yeah, we are.
No.
Yeah.
But you're both of you was also the same thing as well. Oh my God. You're really dumb, Power.
You know what? The music's actually getting to me. It's a
So are
bit of a
you.
bop.
Get out. Get out.
All right. We're gonna start from right here. Mr. Serpent,
We're in a public place. We don't smoke.
name a fruit that you can buy dry. You only get one chance. But that's
Alright.
quick.
Just about to get away.
Raisins.
Already
No,
said
no
it.
one said raisins.
Yeah,
Yes, they
like,
did.
just like said
Yeah,
raisins.
And apricots.
Oh my God. Apricots. What the fuck that nigga said?
Apricot. Wait. Apricots.
Hit the button. Hit the button, Bobby.
If we get the correct answer, we get it.
Agreed.
All right, Bobby.
I bet
Play
it's
that with
orange.
the music.
We're at 57 points.
Wait a minute.
We're 107.
All right. Demon Slayer 1. Bobby. We're number 1.
Oh. We're actually winning. What?
Great.
Grape.
Mother
I'll be
Ava.
there.
This game is rigged.
I knew I should
No, you're just back. You're just
I knew
back.
I should.
We're at 100
Anyway,
points.
we'll be right back
Sir.
after this commercial break. Bobby, play the theme music.
Sir, with all due respect.
Ow!
Motherfucker.
He does it, Steve.
Raisins, grapes, but just dried up and they just go by a different name?
Shut up, woman.
Raisins are just
Cut the camera.
dried up grapes.